What if I told you that liver cirrhosis could potentially be reversed in just 30 days? Sounds unbelievable, right? Can a liver that's been scarred and damaged truly heal in such a short amount of time? Or is this just another myth? If you're one of the millions suffering from liver cirrhosis, you might feel like there's no hope left. But before you give up, listen carefully. While liver cirrhosis is a serious condition, the liver is an incredibly resilient organ with the ability to regenerate if given the right conditions. In this video, we'll uncover the truth behind reversing liver cirrhosis and how lifestyle changes, diet, and natural remedies can play a huge role in improving your liver health. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or personal experiences with liver cirrhosis. It helps us reach more people and bring you more helpful content. So, if you're struggling with liver damage or just want to know if it's possible to heal your liver in 30 days, stay tuned. We're about to reveal the 8 crucial steps that could change everything. Liver cirrhosis occurs when the liver becomes severely scarred, typically as a result of long-term damage caused by excessive alcohol consumption, viral hepatitis, or non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. As the liver gets scarred, it becomes increasingly difficult for it to perform its vital functions, such as detoxifying the body, producing bile, and synthesizing proteins. This damage is often irreversible, leading many to believe there's no hope once cirrhosis sets in. However, the liver is one of the few organs in the body capable of regeneration. If the underlying cause of damage is addressed early, the liver can potentially repair itself over time. While full reversal of cirrhosis may not always be possible, significant improvements can be made through lifestyle changes, diet, and medical intervention. Now, let's dive into the 8 essential steps that could help you improve your liver health and even reverse some of the damage within 30 days. #8. Focus on hydration. Hydration plays a crucial role in the overall health of your body, and particularly in maintaining a healthy liver. The liver is responsible for detoxifying the blood, producing bile, and processing nutrients, all of which require a constant flow of water to function efficiently. When you're dehydrated, the liver becomes stressed, making it harder for it to flush out toxins and perform its necessary functions. Drinking water helps keep the kidneys and liver working in harmony, allowing them to filter out harmful substances effectively. It also helps prevent the accumulation of toxins and fats in the liver, which is essential for people with cirrhosis. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters, of water per day, and if you're physically active or living in a hot climate, you may need even more. It's essential to avoid sugary drinks, caffeine, and alcohol as they can put additional stress on your liver and worsen the condition. 7. Adopt a liver-friendly diet. A healthy diet is one of the most powerful tools when it comes to reversing or managing liver cirrhosis. Eating liver-friendly foods can help reduce inflammation, lower fat accumulation, and support the liver's detoxification processes. Focus on a diet that includes plenty of antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, such as spinach, kale, berries, and citrus fruits, which are known to fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Fiber-rich foods like whole grains, oats, and beans are also beneficial as they help improve digestion and prevent fat buildup in the liver. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, olive oil, and nuts can help reduce liver fat and promote healing. At the same time, You should avoid processed foods, trans fats, fried foods, and foods high in sugar. These unhealthy options can increase fat levels in the liver and exacerbate cirrhosis. A well-balanced diet full of natural, nutrient-dense foods will help restore liver health and support its natural regeneration process. 6. Get regular exercise. Exercise is vital for overall health, and its benefits extend directly to liver function. Regular physical activity can help control body weight and prevent the buildup of fat in the liver, which is a major factor in the progression of liver cirrhosis. Studies have shown that moderate exercise helps reduce liver inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote better blood circulation, all of which support liver regeneration. When the liver is under stress from cirrhosis, it can be challenging to process nutrients and detoxify the body effectively. Exercise helps reduce the burden on the liver by improving overall metabolism and reducing excess body fat, especially abdominal fat, which is closely linked to liver disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, 5 times a week. Not only will this help improve your liver's function, but it will also help you feel better overall and reduce the risk of complications related to cirrhosis. 5. Manage stress effectively. Stress is often an overlooked factor in liver health, but it can have a significant impact, especially when dealing with liver cirrhosis. Chronic stress leads to an increase in stress hormones like cortisol, which can negatively affect the body's ability to function properly. In the case of liver cirrhosis, prolonged stress can exacerbate inflammation, increase fat deposits in the liver, and impair liver regeneration. When you're under stress, your body also becomes more vulnerable to infections and other health problems, which can further strain your liver. Managing stress through practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and mindfulness can help lower cortisol levels and reduce the burden on your liver. Regular relaxation techniques also help improve sleep quality, which is essential for the body's healing and regeneration processes. It's important to take time out of your day to relax and focus on your mental and emotional well-being, as reducing stress will contribute significantly to your liver's ability to heal. 4. Stop drinking alcohol. Alcohol is one of the primary contributors to liver damage and cirrhosis. When consumed, alcohol is processed by the liver, which works to detoxify the substance. However, excessive and long-term alcohol consumption places immense strain on the liver, leading to the buildup of toxins and inflammation, eventually resulting in liver fibrosis and cirrhosis. If you're serious about reversing liver cirrhosis, eliminating alcohol from your lifestyle is absolutely crucial. Stopping alcohol consumption gives the liver the time it needs to repair and regenerate itself. In fact, many people who stop drinking alcohol experience significant improvements in liver function, even when cirrhosis has set in. While the liver may not be able to completely heal the scar tissue caused by years of heavy drinking, stopping alcohol consumption can halt further damage and may even lead to improvements in liver function. It's important to understand that alcohol-free living is one of the most effective ways to support your liver's health, especially when dealing with liver cirrhosis. 3. Take liver-supporting supplements. In addition to a healthy diet, incorporating certain supplements can greatly benefit liver health. Some natural supplements have been shown to support liver detoxification, reduce inflammation, and help regenerate liver cells, all of which are crucial for those with liver cirrhosis. For example, milk thistle is a well-known liver tonic that contains a compound called silymarin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that milk thistle may help repair liver cells, reduce inflammation, and protect the liver from toxins. Turmeric, a common spice with powerful anti-inflammatory properties, has also been shown to help reduce liver inflammation and support liver detoxification. Dandelion root is another natural remedy that has been used for centuries to promote liver health. It acts as a mild diuretic, helping the liver flush out toxins and waste. While supplements can play a supportive role in liver health, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Your doctor can help guide you on the appropriate dosage and ensure there are no contraindications with other treatments you may be using. These natural remedies can significantly enhance the liver's ability to regenerate and repair itself, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle. 2. Monitor your medication use. Medications, while necessary for treating various health conditions, can have a detrimental effect on liver function, especially when taken long-term or in high doses. Many common over-the-counter and prescription drugs, such as pain relievers, statins, and certain antibiotics, can contribute to liver damage. Some medications may cause the liver to work harder, leading to inflammation and even liver cell damage. In individuals with liver cirrhosis, the liver is already compromised, and certain drugs can worsen the condition by adding more strain. For this reason, it's essential to monitor the medications you're taking closely. Always discuss any medications with your healthcare provider, especially if you have liver cirrhosis. Your doctor may recommend adjusting dosages, switching to alternatives, or stopping certain medications altogether to prevent further liver damage. In addition to prescription medications, certain herbal remedies and supplements can also affect liver health. Natural doesn't always mean safe for your liver. Therefore, it's vital to be transparent with your healthcare provider about all the supplements and over-the-counter medications you're using, so they can guide you towards safe alternatives that won't hinder your liver's healing process. 1. Early medical intervention is key. When it comes to reversing liver cirrhosis, timing is everything. The earlier the intervention, the better the chances of stopping or even reversing the damage. Once cirrhosis reaches an advanced stage, the liver's ability to regenerate is significantly reduced, and the damage becomes permanent. Early detection and treatment are crucial in managing liver cirrhosis and preventing further damage. If you have a history of liver disease, or if you're experiencing symptoms like fatigue, jaundice, abdominal pain, or swelling, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider immediately. Regular checkups and liver function tests are vital in catching cirrhosis in its early stages, where lifestyle changes, medications, and treatments can have the most significant impact. A healthcare provider specializing in liver conditions can help create a tailored treatment plan based on your individual needs, potentially slowing or even reversing the effects of cirrhosis. In some cases, a liver transplant may be necessary, but with early medical intervention, other options may prevent the need for such drastic measures. Taking control of your liver health with the help of medical professionals gives you the best possible chance for recovery. Reversing liver cirrhosis in just 30 days may sound like a bold claim, but with the right lifestyle changes, diet, and medical intervention, it is possible to significantly improve your liver health. While complete reversal may not always be achievable, the key is taking action as soon as possible. Hydrating properly, adopting a liver-friendly diet, staying active, managing stress, and eliminating alcohol are just a few of the critical steps that can support liver healing. Additionally, Supplements and regular monitoring of your medications can further enhance your liver's ability to regenerate. However, the most important factor is early medical intervention. The sooner you address liver cirrhosis, the better your chances for recovery and long-term liver health. By following these essential steps, you're giving your liver the best opportunity to heal and function optimally. Remember, the liver is a resilient organ, and with the right care, it can regenerate and support your overall health. So, if you're ready to take control of your liver health, start today, and don't wait until it's too late. Your liver will thank you for it.